welcome to my YouTube channel.
Are you?
Yes, I am. I'm my cousin 7, my 8-year-old cousin.
1 year older than her because my birthday is coming up.
Okay, stop it. Larry, stop it. And
We finna do some slime
AMCR.
armors.
AMCR.
Oh, ASMR. ASMR.
I don't know how to pronounce it. How do you pronounce
ASMR.
it? AMCR?
No. A.
S.
Mar.
Mar.
ASMR.
MCR.
Stop.
Whatever, I'm just gonna say my. Wait, I thought you were recording. Go record. Go.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna do different channels, huh? We're gonna do different channels.
Yeah.
You guys.
And shout out for my cousin for asking me to come here because it's awesome. It's awesome. It's really awesome.
Okay, so camera and
Wait,
Go
no.
video.
Let me see it. I know how to record.
I know how to record too.
That's not how you record. Let me see. Let me show you how I record. I go
Well-
to the YouTube app.
Well, I don't have a YouTube app, so
I thought you were watching YouTube.
it's already started
Whatever.
now.
Okay.
Made it bigger bubble. What was that?
I know.
Look, guys, it's this slime, and it's so
You didn't even
pretty.
say your name of the channel.
Oh, my channel is 7 Freeman Love 99. Wait, no, I think it's Love 99. And then 7 Freeman. I don't know, guys. I forgot. Like, I haven't been talking about it in a long time. So
Holy Jesus, look at it.
this is my nightgown. It's so cute.
This is my nightgown.
Yeah.
It's kind of cute.
It said "Wake up, pancakes."
No, it says wake me.
Oh, wake me up.
No, it says make me 40 pancakes.
That say "Wake me up."
It says make me. It says make me.
It say "Wake me."
No, make.
No.
Where?
That's a
Guys.
W. Guys, don't you see that? It's a W. Don't you see that?
Wait a
An
minute.
M is upside down.
Okay, let me record. When I'm done with this, I'm going to see this.
It's the opposite.
Whatever.
It's the opposite of the W.
But I thought it says makeup. Makeup.
Wake me. Wake me. Wake.
That makes no sense then.
Wake me for pancakes. Wake me for pancakes.
But it's
Get
it?
Wake me for pancakes. Wake me for pancakes. Get it?
No, it doesn't. Because it says 4T.
It said, that says 4.
You cannot see a 0.
But a 0 is right there.
Okay, guys. Comment down below if it's wake me or make me 40 pancakes or is it 4 pancakes? Ugh, oh, dang. You better go look at her channel. She just made the biggest bubble I ever
And I
seen in
made
my life.
another one.
Oh, yeah. You can right here.
You gotta check out my channel.
Yeah, you gotta subscribe to her channel and show her some love.
Yeah. Show me some love. I said,
Don't
yeah.
hate on my cousin.
Show me some love.
Don't hate.
Yeah, don't hate. Don't hate.
But it is their opinion on your videos, right? It's pretty much their opinion,
What if
right?
I get more subscribers than you?
Yeah, and I had this for like 2 weeks. This channel for 2 weeks.
Do like this. This is what people do on YouTube do. So go like, no. You fold it. You fold it under. You fold it under. And then you go like this.
I need more slime,
And then you
woman.
go like this.
Look, woman, I can't do that. Thank you.
There
Okay.
you go, woman. There you go.
There we go.
There we go.
You cannot see her, but look at her face.
Like God.
You
You saw what she was doing. She was like, oh yeah. Come on, oh yeah.
Just the boogie. Or the monster shuffle. I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Guys, check out my channel. Oh my God.
But what if the people are there or you're checking your channel? On my channel at the same time, right? Wait, you can do that, right?
No. You
Yes.
cannot.
Yes, because you can have two phones.
Guys, look. I'm gonna do blindfold poking slime.
Ugh. It's amazing. Oh, guys, look at this. It is so many bubbles.
I heard something.
That's me.
Somebody said, "Grr." I'm making this roll right now.
Guys, hear this. Put on your headphones and turn them all the way up. And
Yeah.
this is a challenge. This is a challenge. Let's do this. This is a challenge.
Yeah.
Guys,
Challenge.
You guys, okay. You guys have to put on headphones, turn them all the way up, take them all the way up to 100, and then we're gonna put it close to the thing, and
Yeah.
then we're going to make a serious popping noise. But first, we need to get the popping noise, right?
Yeah, you gotta stretch it out first.
Yeah.
You gotta massage the slime so it can get better.
Oh my God! Holy Jesus!
Okay, let's massage the slime.
I am saying
Yeah.
way too many things to
Get
God.
it in there. Yeah. You gotta see this?
Oh.
It kind of looks inappropriate, but yeah.
Okay.
Because look at this.
Pretty cool.
Look.
And doing the challenge.
Girl, look.
Holy Jesus!
Mm-hmm.
It looks something weird. Go check out her channel so you can see that.
Nobody seen that.
It's just like everyone give her lots of views so she can make money off of this.
Yeah.
Cause you can make money off of this.
Duh.
Did you know that?
Duh. I knew that. Okay, you don't have to tell me that.
Okay, fine. Stop that. Just stop.
Ooh, mine's is better. ASMR.
I don't believe that. Oh my God. Oh my God, 7. Did you just?
That is not a big bubble. That was nothing but a spread out. Guys, did you see that? It was nothing but spread out.
307. You don't have to be so rude about it. I just thought it was cool.
I'm not being so rude.
You kind of are because you're saying it was nothing. But I thought it was something. That's your opinion. Just keep it to yourself. If you thought
Excuse me, if that would have been my opinion, I would say my opinion is blah blah blah.
Whatever.
Makes sense, huh? So clear, guys. Whoa, that made a bubble.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, looks like we're going somewhere else to record. I'm recording on the floor. Can I record on the floor?
No. You can record right there.
But it's slime.
Oh.
It'll get too sticky.
can record right here.
Yeah, or try. You're gonna have to move your slime somewhere. Thank you.
Oops. Well, we got to switch spots, so.
Yeah. Cause you're welcome. 7, you're recording. Thank you. There we go. We got it.
So we're both in a video. Oh my gosh, I don't know how, but we're both in a video.
Yeah.
We're both in a video.
Yeah, we're both on each other.
Video.
Yeah. Probably can do it. We're already doing a collab. I was about to say one day we can do a collab. We're already doing a collab, right?
Yeah. Girl, what the crap happened to you to right here?
Oh, a burn. It's a burn. It's okay.
Oh, I was gonna say somebody knocked you out. Girl, why you didn't call me?
Girl, someone did knock me out today in the chin.
What? Girl, you should have
Okay.
called me.
But I couldn't call you because it was the little kid. I couldn't put on a little kid on some acid.
Okay, so he put your ass on you, but you couldn't.
No, he bumped into me.
You should have bumped him back like, hey dude, wanna play?
Or you could have went like. I never done that to someone. Except when
But you did it for me.
yeah.
Watch out, girl.
Watch
See?
out, here I come. Wait a minute, you guys, you should see what she's.
Nothing, I'm doing nothing.
She's like,
No, I'm not.
you're doing something with that thing.
No. I am not.
Where my phone for a second?
Bye bye.